guys, welcome back. I hope everyone's doing really well. Today I have a special video for you. It's an unboxing video and it's the most amazing, well I won't actually tell you what it is just yet, but I've been waiting for this order for a long time. I just wanted to talk about the weather at the minute. It's so humid today, so I'm debating whether to put the machine on, the air cooler, but I don't want the noise, you know, the video to sound full of like that noise. We'll see how I get on. If it gets too hot, then I'll have to put it on, because it's just so, like, it's not even, the weather's dull outside, but it's just so humid, horrible. So I hope everyone's enjoying my videos. I feel like I'm getting more and more into myself, you know, as the videos go on. I feel that I'm more, I have more confidence in, you know, which is just natural, isn't it? So, yeah, so this is my parcel that I received. So, by the way, outfit, I'm wearing this slinky kind of, what colour is this? Kind of latte top. It's from HRH Collection, which is my favourite YouTuber of all time. I get inspired by her. She's just so badass and just so amazing. Honestly, I feel like she's a lot like me, very straight talking, but very confident. Just the same qualities as me. She's so, you know, exciting to watch. She's bubbly, she's funny, like, you know, absolutely adore her. So I bought this from her line, which is, it's called HRH Collection. She does, she does jewellery and bag chains and everything. She's just amazing. She's the reason, one of the reasons why I started to make YouTube videos, because I just think she's so fucking cool. I love her. This slinky coffee coloured oversized tee, which is, the material is absolutely amazing. It's so slinky and soft to touch. It's amazing. I'm wearing my Adidas joggers. I've actually started to get some holes in them and rebuy them, so I'm gutted actually. I don't know why it's happened. I think when I went out the other day, I think I caught it on some like chair or something. And I've got my not smoky eye, I've got my orange makeup today. Always get mascara on the top. It's so annoying. So yeah, and a clear gloss. On with the video. So this is the parcel that I received. It's where it's from. Let's have a look. It's from luxurylegs.com. and vegan leather leggings, absolutely unreal. So this is the package, and it comes in this cute little like bag here. It says luxurylegs.com, and I think this is absolutely gorgeous, so cute. And the leggings come in here. Now I got a medium because I'm normally a small, but I thought I need extra room. I'll have to try these on for you, but they have an elasticated waist. I'll just read the label. It's the Lycee Liss. I can't remember. I'm not good at saying brands. And it says, we love fabric, so we made our own vegan leather. Just there, can you see? 4-way stretch, look and feel of leather, breathable base, machine washable. The perfect fit, high waist, patent pending design, hourglass shaping, smooth comfort and extra stretch. That's the Lycee fit. Now I'm doing the nose twitch again with the video. I don't understand what it is. Every time I'm on video, I have like a nervous, like, it's just so fucking annoying. I hate it. Then it says, at Lycee, we design from the inside out to blend a perfect fit with great style. We develop our own fabrics to add performance, texture and colour. Enjoy the benefits of high stretch, innovative design with the shaping already built in. Join the fashion revolution style that performs. Lycee Liss. size medium. I've always wanted a pair of leather kind of leggings. Real leather is very, gets too hot when you wear it, so it's too heavy as well. So a vegan leather, which obviously vegan leather isn't real, but the fabrics are vegan. I think that would be so, you know, it's lightweight. Now they look really creased. It looks like a bin bag on camera, just so annoying. I will try these on and I'll be back. Now these are the leggings. So shiny and a really sexy material. I'm just wearing these with some black patent cords. And I'm just going to change shoes and show you what they look like with some lower shoes. With these shoes, I think it gives a more relaxed look, but still stylish and, you know, chic, but with a more daytime kind of vibe. I just think these are so versatile. And they just look amazing. You can dress them down with a simple tee, or dress them up with a blouse, a nighttime top, a jacket. Just very versatile.